going to show you how to apply bark mulch in your garden beds. So first we're going to start off by removing all of the debris and all of the weeds so that we have a clean space to start our mulch. So now that the beds are clean, they're debris and weed free, we are going to prep for our mulch. So you're going to need a small rake, and we're going to go along all of the edges and lift up this soil, making a nice grade so that the mulch can line up perfectly with the edge of the bed without mixing in with the soil. So our beds are ready for our mulch to be applied, but I want to go over one important thing. We never ever use landscape fabric under mulch when we are using bark mulch. The purpose of the bark mulch is to eventually break down and add nutrients to your soil. But if there is landscape fabric underneath, it really does prevent it from breaking down and adding any nutrients to the soil. As well, it makes it really hard to pull and get all the weeds out if they are embedded in the landscape fabric. So here we chose our Alpine Fine mulch. This is the best mulch to use because it compacts really nicely, helping with weed prevention and water retention, and it looks really sharp in the beds. Okay, so the mulch is in. It looks so amazing. It's really gonna help these trees this year survive our hot Okanagan summers. Thank you so much for following along, and we'll hope to see you soon.